Do you think human will drink all these things? Sir, this is not a usual one that you drink. The thing which I said gives a special somerism. Who are you?
It'll be nice if Ayyappan closes his eyes.
So, I'm very frankly asking you one thing. Can I have sex with you? Fantabulous.
Hey, did that man pick up the phone?
I'm driving from yesterday, but now his phone is switched off.
And where is that sir of yours?
Oh, that stupid director. He starts the casting before the movie starts.
What is wrong with that man, Sunny?
Ask him to just take care of the movie.
Dude, you leave with that. They can do what they want. This movie has to start. Brother now only asks to me, you joined in the team or not.
I don't think I'll be able to reach there on time. This is somewhere inside the jungle. It's not like what you think, man. I'm just riding this bike all over this place.
Hey, my house is in the corner inside. Better you come straight. That is another way to reach home. One time I came with my brother.
Can't you put these directors in some 4-star or 5-star? Do you have to put them inside such a jungle like this?
Dude, first you go there.
Director Ayyappan is drunk and is lying there somewhere. Better you impress the director.
That is good to you.
There is a chance to see you in his next film poster, can't you?
That's the only hope with which I took this bike and came into the jungle. If I go straight, you think I'll reach?
Straight.
Okay then, I'll talk to you later.
Now why this guy is calling to me? Hello?
Hey, where are you?
I'm nearby temple.
Hey, where is Sugu?
Sugu gone to forest to search Ayyappan.
To Sabarimala?
Dude, he goes to search director Ayyappan.
I called you to tell you about that. Ask Sugu to come here.
What happened? Any issues?
It's not like that. I think there's some problem in the forest.
What, dude?
I don't know about that. There's something wrong with Ayyappan's matter.
Yes, there is a problem. What stupid? Cut the call and go.
Hey, listen. Oh, he hung up. Let him suffer.
So Miss Pamela, right?
I'm not Pamela, sir. Pramila.
I have a problem pronouncing R. Whatever I try to do, I can only say Pamela. By the way, where are you from?
Tirupur.
Why didn't you change it to this town?
Why is that?
Because the names of those places have a lot of R in them. By the way, what was I telling you?
Is that regarding my role?
That will be taken care of. I have especially told about you to Mr. Ayyappan. Your role will be amazing. But that's not the issue. If somebody whom I suggest is not up to the mark, then that will be an issue for me.
Sir, not like that, sir. I'll do my best.
I am sure that you'll be able to do it because you're very capable in all aspects. Your costume has to be a little hot.
Hot? What do you mean by that?
Hey, not as much as you think. Very sweetly. Show off your legs a little bit.
I can expose my legs. No problem in that.
To show your legs, I meant by keeping your leg on top and... Wow, she's nice. A little more.
Is this okay, sir?
A little more.
Is this okay?
It has to reach to a very good level.
What?
I meant you'll make it to the top really fast.
Thank you.
So, when can you come?
I'll come after the shoot starts, sir.
Yeah, that's what even I meant. When Ayyappan script is ready, the next day the shoot starts. First day Goa, then Malaysia. You must be having a passport, right?
No, sir.
That is very essential because we need to go to a lot of countries and you will have to stay in my room because the rents there are very high, you know. I hope you understand there are no other reasons for it.
Okay, sir. Shall I start?
And next week you'll have to come once more. You have to sign all the papers, right?
What paper?
Oh God, what's the name of that paper? There was some paper, right? I don't remember.
Carl Street?
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm doing a lot of other businesses, I keep forgetting all these things. Thank God he's reached. Just keep the door locked always, yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, where are you going now?
I should have knocked before entering.
No, it's not required, you come. Pamela, this is Mr. Girish. He's our financial controller. All my businesses are being taken care of by this one person. Construction company, oil company, water park, and now this movie. Yeah, what do you need, Girish?
We have received an electricity bill of the water park. They will disconnect it if we don't pay the bill.
Which water park?
Sir, it's the water park that you mentioned just now.
Oh, that water park. My dear friend Girish, why do you have to bring all these problems to me? I don't have the time to deal with all this. But how much is the bill?
It's 342 rupees. No, it's 3,342.
It seems to be less this month.
Yes, it's less this month.
Certain months it reaches to 10 lakhs, you know.
Last month it was 1.5 crore. It's very less this month due to the rains.
Yeah. Rainy season, right? I think it's time for you to leave. We'll settle the bill later.
We must pay.
Miss Pamela, where did we stop our conversation?
Is this about signing call sheet?
Yes. That has to be done at the earliest. I'll tell you what to do. Next Friday. No, on Friday I think I have a meeting with Shah Rukh Khan. Sunday, you can come again.
Yeah, I'll come.
When you come, you should come as the character.
Character in the sense?
I meant a little glamorous. Let me also see, no? That number that you gave has WhatsApp, right?
Yeah.
We have to discuss the script again. What is this bugger still doing here?
Oh my sir, we have to maintain this.
What else do you want me to do? But I think this is going to work out. When Ayyappan told me about the movie, I didn't think it was going to be so nice. Oh God, please get that Sunday as soon as possible.
Be honest sir, you're using your partner's money, right?
Yeah, you can call it that way also.
Forget about it. You sent Ayyappan to the forest. Is there a problem in the forest?
What problem?
It's nothing. I asked you casually.
Don't simply spread rumors like this, huh? You're simply imagining things for yourself. Not a single person seems to be around here. Hey, it's not like what you think, huh? I was just passing this way.
Leave the way.
Is this how you behave with a stranger? What's your name? Why, don't you have a name?
I need to go. Leave the way.
I'm not gonna leave way for you till you tell me your name. Hey! My foot is really aching a lot.
This is because of your behavior only.
Did you really have to push me for that? I don't think that also worked.
Stop doing this.
I left my bag and bike there. Hope nobody just takes it away.
No one will take it.
How far is your house from here? We should have taken a taxi for this. Let me just sit somewhere. No, my leg is aching really bad.